Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you deeply care for someone, yet they see you as nothing more than a friend? It's a common scenario that many individuals encounter when trying to get that girl they really like. In this video, we'll delve into the ways of avoiding the friend zone and how to build a romantic connection between you two. So, if you've ever wondered how to steer clear of the friend zone, stick around till the end of this video. 1. Show clear intentions. When you like someone and want more than just a friendship with them, it's important to show them your true intentions. This means you should let them know that you're interested in a romantic relationship, not just being friends. Imagine you have a favorite ice cream flavor, let's say it's chocolate. If you go to an ice cream shop, you wouldn't just stand there and hope the person behind the counter guesses that you want chocolate ice cream. You would say, "I'd like a scoop of chocolate ice cream, please." This way, there's no confusion, and you're more likely to get what you want. In a similar way, when you're interested in someone romantically, it's better to express your feelings rather than keeping them a secret. This doesn't mean you have to be overly dramatic or use fancy words. You can simply say something like, "I really enjoy spending time with you, and I'd like to get to know you on a deeper level because I'm interested in being more than just friends." By doing this, you're being honest and clear about your feelings and intentions. This can help prevent misunderstandings and the friend zone because the other person knows that you're not just looking for a platonic friendship. So, when you like someone romantically, don't keep it a secret. Just like ordering your favorite ice cream, express your feelings honestly to avoid any confusion and let the other person know you're interested in a romantic relationship. 2. Flirt playfully. Flirting is a bit like that. A playful exchange of words and actions that bounces back and forth between you and the person you're interested in. It's all about creating a romantic vibe without going overboard. Playful flirting is like a dance. You take a step forward with a compliment or a witty comment, and then you pause, giving the other person a chance to respond. It's this back and forth that makes flirting so enjoyable. But here's the key: keep it light and respectful. Playful flirting is not about invading personal space or making someone uncomfortable. It's about making the other person feel special and appreciated. One of the secrets of successful playful flirting is using humor. A well-timed, lighthearted joke can break the ice and create a connection. Just remember, humor can be like spices in a dish. A little goes a long way. Don't overdo it, otherwise it might come across as insincere. Another trick is body language. Maintain eye contact, smile genuinely, and lean in slightly when you're engaged in a conversation. These subtle cues signal your interest and show that you're enjoying the interaction. The beauty of playful flirting is that it leaves room for imagination and curiosity. It's like a puzzle with missing pieces that both of you are excited to discover. 3. Show confidence. Confidence is that inner glow that radiates through your words, actions, and presence. It's like wearing an invisible crown that says, "I believe in myself." And guess what? People are naturally drawn to those who exude this self-assured energy. When you believe in yourself and your worth, it's as if you've discovered a secret treasure. You're not seeking validation or approval from others because you know your value. This self-assuredness is incredibly attractive because it shows that you're comfortable in your own skin. Confidence doesn't mean being arrogant or self-centered. It's about acknowledging your strengths and embracing your imperfections. It's that sweet spot between humility and self-esteem. Think of confidence as a skill you can develop, much like learning to ride a bike. Start with small steps. Celebrate your achievements no matter how minor they may seem. Remember past successes and use them as stepping stones. Confidence is not about being perfect. It's about being authentic. Embrace your uniqueness and quirks because they make you who you are. When you genuinely accept yourself, others are more likely to do the same. 4. Plan romantic dates. A romantic date is like a special adventure for two. It could be a candlelit dinner at a nice restaurant, a picnic in the park, a cozy evening by the fireplace, or even a stargazing night on a rooftop. These activities send a clear message that you're not just friends, you're interested in something more meaningful. It's like saying, "Hey, I enjoy your company so much that I want to create these beautiful moments just for us." It's a way of expressing your feelings through actions, and it can be quite powerful. By planning romantic dates, you're showing that you're willing to invest time and effort into building a romantic connection. It's like turning up the romance dial and making sure the other person knows you're interested in them romantically, not just platonically. Remember though, it's important to choose activities that both you and the person you're interested in will enjoy. The goal is to create a special and memorable experience that deepens your connection and helps both of you see the potential for a romantic relationship. 5. Physical touch. Certainly, the concept of introducing physical touch gradually and with respect is like a delicate dance that can bring two people closer together. It's a way of enhancing emotional connection and intimacy, but it must always be consensual and comfortable for both parties. Imagine you're on a path towards building a deeper relationship with someone you really care about. You've spent time together, shared conversations, and felt a spark. Now you want to take things to the next level physically. The key here is to pay attention to the other person's cues and comfort level. If they respond positively to these small touches and seem open to more physical contact, you can gradually progress. Holding hands, for example, is a beautiful way to express your connection. It's like intertwining your lives symbolically. Always remember that consent is paramount. Just because you're interested in taking things to a physical level doesn't mean the other person feels the same way or is ready for it. Respect their boundaries and communicate openly. You might say something like, "I really enjoy our time together, and if you're comfortable with it, I'd love to hold your hand." The beauty of introducing physical touch gradually is that it adds a layer of depth and intimacy to your connection. It's a way of saying, "I'm interested in more than just friendship, and I want to explore this romantic journey with you." It can be a beautiful and memorable part of your relationship, but always prioritize respect and consent to ensure that both of you feel comfortable and safe. 6. Be patient. Patience in matters of the heart is like tending to a delicate garden. It's essential to nurture the seeds of romance with time and care, rather than rushing the process. Building a romantic connection is like a journey filled with moments of discovery, shared experiences, and emotional connection. It takes time for feelings to develop and for both individuals to truly get to know each other. Patience means allowing the relationship to evolve naturally, without undue pressure. It's about savoring each moment spent together, enjoying the process of getting to know one another, and letting feelings develop at their own pace. Remember that building a romantic connection is not a race, it's a beautiful journey. So, take your time, enjoy the moments, and let your feelings unfold naturally. In the end, the patience you invest will often lead to a more profound and lasting connection. 7. Express your feelings. Absolutely, expressing your feelings in a relationship is a crucial step, and doing it honestly and directly is like opening your heart. It's about finding the right moment to let the other person know how you truly feel. Think of it as sharing a part of yourself, like showing someone a painting you've poured your soul into. When the time feels right and you sense that the connection has grown, it's okay to say something like, "I really enjoy spending time with you, and I've come to care about you a lot. I'd like to explore a deeper romantic connection if you feel the same way." Remember, there's no perfect moment for this. It's about finding a time when you both feel comfortable and relaxed, preferably when you can talk privately and without distractions. Trust your instincts, and when you feel that deep connection, take that leap of faith and express your feelings. It's a beautiful way to deepen your relationship and understand where you both stand.